Alrighty y'all, we have got a super sharp little day cab, 16 model KENWORTH T880, PACCAR MX-13, putting out 455 horsepower, EATON ULTRASHIFT, automatic transmission, headache rack, single line wet kit, R22.5 rubber on this truck all the way around, aluminum wheels all the way around, air ride suspension, air ride cab, dual exhaust, sliding fifth wheel, power divider, engine brake, cruise control, power locks, power windows, power and heated mirrors. 397,000 miles on this truck, y'all. Sharp little old day cab. Ready to go to work. Good looking truck right here, y'all. If y'all would like to come check it out, 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee is where this truck is located. Just look for the big flag. Can't make it to us in person, you can check it out on our website, southern-equipment-llc.com. As always, we sure appreciate y'all watching our videos.